When does the statute of limitations apply to property crimes? Imagine this: you hear about a theft that happened years ago, and you wonder if the case can still be prosecuted. Well, that depends on the rules called the statute of limitations. This law sets a time limit for prosecutors to bring charges against someone accused of a crime. It varies depending on the type and seriousness of the crime. In property crime cases, which include theft, burglary, vandalism, and larceny, the time limits are usually shorter than for serious crimes like murder or sexual assault. For most property crimes that are considered misdemeanors, the statute of limitations is generally 2 years. That means prosecutors have 2 years from the date the crime happened to file charges. If they miss that window, the accused can ask the court to dismiss the case. When it comes to more serious property crimes, which are classified as felonies, the time limit is often longer. Typically, prosecutors have 5 years to file charges for felony property crimes like grand larceny or burglary. This longer period gives them more time to gather evidence and build a case. But there are some important details to keep in mind. For example, if the crime was not discovered immediately, the clock might start ticking from the day it was discovered. Also, if the defendant leaves the state or their whereabouts are unknown, the statute of limitations can be tolled or paused. This means the clock stops running until the defendant is found or returns. Understanding when the statute of limitations applies is key for a strong defense. If charges are filed after the time limit has expired, the defense can ask the court to dismiss the case. This is why knowing these rules helps in planning the best strategy. It also encourages both sides to act quickly to preserve evidence, which can fade or be lost over time. In property crime cases, the specific time limits depend on the crime's severity and classification. If you or someone you know is accused of a property crime, checking whether the statute of limitations has expired can be a vital step. It might be the difference between facing charges or walking free.